June 10th, 2024. This is this one here. I got a call from an older lady. She's wants me to go check her AC. So I was there a couple of years ago. I don't know. We'll find out. She says it's working okay. Just wants me to check it, make sure it's all right. She probably just had like a preventive maintenance, make sure that the charge is okay and she's running all right, not all full of dirt. Filters are clean and whatnot, you know. She changes the filters every 3 months. Well, it goes by quick, huh?
4 years in August, yeah. It does. It does.
The system seems to be working good, but it's good that you check up on it, you know?
Well, Bob did it with you every year.
Yeah.
So that's what I do. That's what I do.
So 70 is the room temperature.
Okay.
And we're already good at 15, you know?
Okay.
So that's good. We're getting a nice split.
Okay.
The AC's working fine.
Okay. Oh, I wanted to ask you something. What did I want to ask you?
Every 3 months you change. Are they dirty when you take the filters out? The house looks clean to me. The filters been dirty?
The last ones were, I mean, I clean every week, you know. The last ones weren't bad, like dark.
Right.
But they were, and now I'm due the end of the month to change them again for 3 months.
Right.
Gosh, I wanted to ask you something. Oh, now.
Yeah, so we're getting a good split there. We're 17. I mean, that's really good.
Okay. Hey, I'm going to my son's for the summer.
Yeah.
What should I leave the air on? That's what I wanted to ask you.
80.
80?
Yeah, I mean, no sense in cooling a house off crazy.
Right.
You gotta just shut it off. I mean, I would just leave it on 80.
80, okay.
Or 78.
Okay.
It just kind of keeps the moisture out of the house.
Okay.